So we have a question here. This question is say if log 7 is equals to 0,8451, find log 0,7. Part B, find log 49. Okay, so we want to find log 0,07 and log 49. Okay, so solutions. It's very simple, guys. So if it is the first time to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and you can share this video to your friends. Okay, so log 0,07, log 0,07 is the same as log 7 over, it's 7 over what? 7 over, how many digits after the comma? We have 2 digits, so 1 and 2 what? 2 zeros. Okay, so log 7 over log 100 is same as log 7 minus log what? 100. So we are dividing here. We are dividing, so we're going to subtract. It's going to be log 7 minus log what? Minus log 100. How are you, Takunda Mahuku? How are you? Yes, okay. So we're going to say log 7 is same as what? We are given log 7 is 0,8451. So we're going to say 0,8451 minus, and log 100. Log 100, we don't have log 100 here, but you should know that log 1 is equals to 0, then log 100 is equals to 2. So it's going to be 2,0, 0. Okay, so so what are we going to do? We're going to say 2,00 minus 0,8451. Okay, so 10, 9, 5, here we got 4, here we get 5, 1, then 1. So our answer will be negative 1, 1, 5, 5, 4, 9. That's log what? 0,07. That's log 0,07. So like I said earlier on, log 0,07 is same as 0. So it's same as 7 over how many digits after the comma? 2. So it's over what? Over 100. So here we are now dividing. So it's now like 7 minus log 100. Then log 7 we're given as 0,8. 100 is equal to what? Is equal to 1. Okay, so what I'm saying, log 1, guys, log 1 is equals to 0. Then log 10 is equals to 1. Then log 100 is equals to log 1000. Log 1 is equals to what? Log 1000 is equals to 3. Log 1000 is equals to 3. So guys, if it is the first time, let's subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us subscribe. Let's also like. Okay, so log 1 is equals to 0. Log 10 is equals to 1. Log 100 is equals to 2. Log 1000 is equals to 3. You should always note this. Okay, so this one is solved. Or any question, guys, before I proceed to the next question? Any questions? I stole them. Hello. How are you guys? How are you guys? It's good to know that you are here. Okay, so let's go to another question. If it is your first time, guys, please let's subscribe. Let's subscribe. Okay, so I have another question here. Which says log 3 is equals to 0, comma 4771, and log 5 is equals to 0, comma 6991. Find log 1 and 2 over 3. Find log 30. This one is very simple again. Okay, allow me to elaborate it. So it's now what? Log 1 and 2 over 3, guys, is the same as log. Let's make this an improper fraction. 1 times 3, that's 3, plus 2, that's what? That's 5, over what? Over 3. Are we together? So whenever we divide, we subtract. So it is going to be log 5 minus log what? Minus log 3. So log 5 is the same as what? We give a log 5 as 0, 6991. So log 5 is 0, 6991 minus log 3, 0, 4771. Are we together, guys? So we are now subtracting 1 minus 1, we get 0. Then 9 minus 7, we get what? Get 2. Then 9 minus 7 again, we get 2. Then 6 minus 4, we get 2. So answer will be 0, 0,220. That's log what? 1 and 2 over 3. Log 1 and 2 over 3. The first stage was to make 1 and 2 over 3 as an improper fraction. Are we together? So it's now an improper fraction. So we multiply 1 times 3 plus 2, which is 5 over what? 5 over 3. And remember, whenever we are dividing, there's division here. 5 over 3 is division. So we subtract our logs. So log 5 minus log 3. Then log 5 we are given. Log 5 is 0,6991 minus log 4. So minus log 3 is 0,4771. Then we subtracted and we get what? 0,2220. Okay, so let's solve log 30. Log 30. If it is the first time, guys, let's subscribe. Let us like. Right, so log 30, guys. Log 30 is equals to, here we have log 3 and log 5. So we want to create log 30. So log 30, we are going to say it's log 10 multiplied by log what? By log 3. And someone is asking, how do we get log 10? Right, so you should always take into consideration that log 10 is 1,00. Okay, so in order to get log 30, we're going to multiply log 10 times 3. Okay, so we're going to say log 3 plus log 10. That is law number 1. Whenever we multiply, we add. Okay, whenever we multiply, we add. So we're going to say log 3 is what we are given is 0,4771, and log 10 is 1,0000. So we are adding. So we get 1,4771. That's log what? That's log 30. That's log 30. So log 30 is 1,4771. In order to get log 30, we multiply log 10 times log 3. But here we were given log 3 and log 5. So to get log 30, we're supposed to multiply log 10. Log 10, we knew already that log 10 is equals to 1. Okay. And log 3, we are given 0.477. Then we what? Then we add, because we are multiplying. Whenever we multiply, we adding. Okay, are we together, guys? Are we together? Okay, so this one is done. Any questions? Any questions before I proceed to another? Any questions, guys? Any questions? All right, no questions. No questions asked. Okay, so we are going to another what? Another question right here. Right. This question is on equations of logarithms. Okay, are we together? Equation on what? On logarithms. Right. This one is very simple again. Okay, on equation of logarithms, NB, equations of logarithms, if log x base b is equals to y, if log x base b is equals to y, what are we going to do? This power base, which is b, this base here, we're going to take y as its power. It's now b to the power of y is equals to what? Is equals to x. Are we together? B, we will take y to be the base, and our answer will be is equals to what? Is equals to x. Okay, let's try to express this one here. So x is going to take 1,5 as its power, and it will be is equals to what? It's equals to 27. Okay, so x 1,5 is same as 15 over what? Over 10 is equals to 27. Then x to the power of 15 over is what? Is equals to 27. Okay, so we want to get what? We want to get the value of x. So x is equals to. So to get the value of x, it is very simple. What are we going to do? I'm going to multiply this side here by 2 over 3. I inverted power 3 over 2 to be what? 2 over 3. So by both sides, 2 over what? 2 over 3. So these things are going to cancel these powers. So you're left with x is equals to 27 raised to the power of 3, sorry, to the power of 2 over what? 2 over 3. It's now x is equals to 27 is same as 27 same as 3 raised to the power of what? 3. Multiply by these powers, which is 2 over what? 2 over 3. So 3 and 3 they cancel, and we are left with x is equals to 3 to the power of what? 3 to the power of 2, and x is equals to 3 to the power of 2, that's 3 times 3, x is equals to 9. Are we together, guys? Are we together? Okay. Right, so the value of x is equals to what? 9. Given log 27 base x is equals to 1 comma 5, and log, we asked to find x, and x is our base. Is going to take 1 comma 5 to be the power of what? X is equals to this 27 right here. So 1 comma 5, it is, so as we divide by 3, as we divided by 3, it's now x to the power sides. So any questions, guys? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, so there are no questions. So allow me proceed to the next question. That's our next question right here, which says log 7 to the power of minus 2 minus log 1 over 5 base 5 7, guys. So we're going to say log um, 7 to the power of minus 2 base 7 minus log, right, 5 raised to the power of, so 5 log 5 and log 1 over 5 base and 5 is same as 5 to the power of minus what? To the power of minus 1. 1 over 5 is same as 5 to the power of minus 1. So we remove this fraction. We remove this fraction here by inserting a what? A negative what? A negative power here. Base what? Base 5. Okay? So let's take negative 2 to this side. So it's now negative 2 log what? Log 7. Base what? Base 7 minus this negative power here. So it's now negative 1 log what? Log 5 base what? Base 5. Remember, guys, law number 4 of logarithms is same. If log and the base are the same, they cancel to get 1. So we're going to cancel log 5 base 5, log 7 base 7 is now 1. So we are left with negative 2 here, negative what? 1. Okay, so it's now negative 2. Negative into negative, we get a what? A positive, which is positive what? 1. So negative 2 plus 1, you get negative what? Negative 1. So the term itself, evaluate, it simply means the word log must disappear. The word log must disappear. So we get what? We get negative 1. Any questions? Any questions? Bye. How are you? Any questions? No questions. Okay. So allow me to proceed to another question. Another question. We are still on logs. We are still on logs, guys. Okay. So log 1 over 64 base 4. Then they say evaluate. To evaluate, it means the word log must disappear. So it's now log 64 is 1 over 64 is same as 64 to the power of negative what? Negative 1. Hello, Angelina, how are you? Right, so base what? Base 4. What are we going to do? We're going to say log 64. We want to raise 64 in base what? In base 4. So 64 is 4 to the power of 3 times negative what? Times negative 1. Base 4, and it will be log 4 times negative what? Negative 1. Sorry, 3 times negative 1, we get what? 4 raised to the power of negative 3 base 4. So negative 3 to this side is now negative 3 log what? Log. So let's try this one. Evaluate log 81 base what? Log 81 over log 27. So log 81 is the same as 3 raised to the power of 4 over log 27 is same as 3 raised to the power of 3. Our powers to this side is now 4 log 3. 3 to this side 3 log what? 3 log 3. Log 3 and log 3 the same, so we cancel. So we are left with what? 4 over what? 4 over 3. 3 into 4, that's 1. And 1 over what? And 1 over 3. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a lovely day till we meet another